affordable content tools you need to start your content creation journey on your YouTube channel. Yes. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about affordable content tools you need. Yes, you don't need the most expensive gears in order to start. Enough of the procrastination. Start now with these affordable tools I'm going to be mentioning. Alright, so stay tuned, watch till the end, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Now, the first one I have for you is your phone. Of course, the camera you are going to use. For you to be watching this video, you're probably using a phone, right? So yes, you have one of the content tools you need. So a good phone that has, a good camera is enough for you. Now, the second thing is a tripod stand. Yes, a tripod stand is very important so that you can place your phone. So I just got this and it just does the work. Yes, it's very nice. And so if a beginner can use this, it has this small ring light. It's long, you can adjust it to any, length you want. You can adjust it to any length and you can use it anywhere. It can serve as a selfie stick and it can also serve as a tripod stand, right? That's what I'm using right now. And even if I want to use a selfie stick, it's pretty much do the job, right? So that's a very good one, that you can get. I think it sold about 15,000 naira. I think when I bought it, I think I got it for like 15,000 naira. Now, the next content tool you'll be needing is your microphone. Your microphone, right? Sound is very important when making videos. So yes, you need a good microphone so that the sound of your videos won't suck, right? Because apart from your video being clear, if your voice is not sounding clearly, there is noise in the background and all that, people might not enjoy your videos. So yes, you need a microphone. So with all this, you are good to go. Yes, you are good to go. What else do you need? Nothing, no. You are good to go. As for lighting, the sunlight is okay for you. The sunlight, just film when there is sunlight, If you are filming in your room, then make sure to, allow natural sunlight, right? But if you have extra box, you can go for a ring light or a LED light. So this is pretty much all you need to start your content creation journey on a budget. So guys, let me know if you are starting your content creation journey with these 3 things I mentioned, or you already started. I'd like to know you in the comments, and also see you in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so right now. Like this video so that YouTube will push it to more people. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.